Get a divorce without using a lawyer. Time is tough during a financial crisis and people are always looking for alternative ways they can save money, even when getting a divorce. Processing a divorce is very costly, especially if you will be hiring a lawyer. It is possible to get a divorce without using a lawyer if you want to save on money. But this is not always the best option. It's best that you assess your situation first before you decide to complete a DIY divorce process. Here are some instances when using a lawyer to get a divorce is highly advised. If your spouse is suspected to have hidden assets, you need help to uncover your spouse's hidden assets and a lawyer can help you with this. Divorce allegations include abuse by the spouse. A lawyer can help you develop legal measures to keep you and your children safe. Property distribution is involved in the divorce process. This is common if you have been married for many years. Accumulating properties over the years is possible, so when coming up to a divorce, you have to claim for what are legally yours. A lawyer can help you get your properties. Children are involved. A divorce becomes more complicated if there are children involved. The court has to decide who will get the children's custody. If you want to get your children, then you have to draw out your divorce papers so the court will be in favor of you. A lawyer will help you to this goal. Therefore, getting a divorce without using a lawyer is only ideal for couples who have no children, have no property to divide, and have been together only for a short period. If you want to get a divorce without a lawyer, you can choose between the two general ways. Get a DIY divorce kit. There are free divorce kits online while some are commercial kits. Whatever you use, you should always consult your country's clerk of court first. This is done to check whether the kit works for your situation or not. Better yet, instead of finding a kit on your own, ask the clerk of court for their recommendations. The kit has all the detailed instructions on how to process a divorce in your state. It also includes all the forms you will need and people you have to contact to process your divorce papers. Rosen.com has a detailed instruction on how to get a divorce without a lawyer in North Carolina. This is a good example of a detailed instruction. Check for your state's detailed instructions on how to get a divorce. Draw your divorce papers from Granted Divorce Files. Granted Divorce Files are already public records, which you can access anytime. Look for divorce papers that match your situation. The clerk can help you with the search and will copy the granted divorce files for you. These files will serve like your template. Simply change some information and you can already have your own divorce papers. Have your papers notarized after drawing them out. Never hesitate to ask for a legal counsel if you don't fully understand the process. It's best to ask for pieces of advice than pretend to be a know-it-all. Remember, processing a divorce is always a life-changing event. As much as possible, you should never make a mistake on this.